Now let us solve question number 4 of exercise 2.4 class 10 NCERT. Question is, if two zeros of the polynomial x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 138x minus 35 are 2 plus minus root 3. Find other zeros. So let us find the solution of the question. Since 2 plus minus root 3 are two zeros of the polynomial, Px is equal to this polynomial. Px is equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. So let x is equal to this one, that is 2 plus minus root 3. Then this implies x minus 2 is equal to plus minus root 3. And if we square it, squaring we get, what we will get after squaring? If we square it, we will get x minus 2 whole square, that is equal to plus minus root 3 whole square. Then this is equal to a, this is a minus b whole square. Then a square is x square minus 2ab is 2 into 2 is 4x and plus b square is 2 to the 4. That is equal to 3, because root over square is the same number. So it is 3. Then this implies x square minus 4x, and if you transpose 3 to the other side, you will get minus 3. Then plus 4 minus 3 is plus 1. That is equal to 0. This is the quadratic question. Now let us divide px by this one. Then we will get the other two zeros. So let us divide. Let us divide px by x square minus 4x plus 1 to obtain the other zeros. So let us divide it. It's x square minus 4x plus 1. This is the divisor, and quotient is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. So let us divide first term. What will be the first term? This is x square and this is x to the power 4. So first term will be x square. So multiplied it, x square into x square is x to the power 4, and minus plus minus 4 into x square is 4x cube, and then plus is plus, and x, that is x square. Now subtract it. All the sign will be changed. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So this term will be 0, and here it is negative and positive. So we will subtract from the greater one and write the greater number sign, that is minus, and 6 minus 4 is 2 and x cube. Both are negative, so we write minus 26 plus 1 is 27 x square. Write the next term, that is 138x. And now what will be the second term? Second term, here it is x square and here it is minus 2x cube. So second term will be minus 2x. Then multiplied, plus minus, minus, and 2x into x square is 2x cube. Then plus minus minus plus, and 4 2s are 8, x into x is x square. Now plus minus minus, and 2x into 1 is 2x. Subtract it. This will become plus, this will become minus, this will become plus. This term will be 0. Now both are negative, so we can write here, this is 35x square, and here it is 140x, and next term is 35. Now first, what will be the third term of this quotient? Minus 35x square. So we will write here minus 35. Then minus 35 into x square is minus 35 x square, and then minus into minus is plus, and if we multiplied it 4 into 35, that is 4 5s are 20, carry over 2, then 4 3 is 12, plus 1 is 12 plus 2 is 14, that is x, and plus minus minus 35 into 1 is 35. Now subtract it, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus into minus is minus, so it will be plus. Now all the term will be 0. Here it is plus minus and 35. This term will be 0. This term is plus minus, both are 0. So it is equal to 0. So we can write, because this is the factor, so we can write px is equal to, therefore px is equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26 x square plus 138 x plus 35 is equal to, this into this, divisor into quotient, that is x square minus 4x plus 1 into this term, x square minus 2x minus 35, minus 35. We don't have to factorize it, because we have already, the zeros is already given here. Only this we have to factorize to get the other two zeros. So keep it same, x square minus 4x plus 1. Now if we factorize it, then what we will get? This is 35, then 7 5s are 35, then it will be x square, because 35 into 1 is 35, and 35, if you find the factorization, time factorization, then it is 5 into 7. So these two factors are there, so we will use here to factorize, to split the numbers, that is minus 7x plus 5x. If we sum it, then we will get minus 2x, and if we multiplied it, we will get the product of these two. So right here, now x square minus 4x plus 1, this will be same, and this will be x, take the common term, that is x, and x minus 7 is left here. Here 5 is common, so x minus 7 5 is 35, so x minus 7 is common. Now x square minus 4x plus 1 is same, and here both the term having x minus 7, so x minus 7 is common, and x plus 5 is left, x plus 5 is left. So this implies that this one is equal to, x is equal to, these are the factors. This implies that x plus 5 and x minus 7 are other factor, are other factors. So we will get the factors of px. Therefore this one is x is equal to minus 5, and if x is equal to 7, so we will get minus 5 and 7 are other zeros of the given polynomials, other zeros of the given polynomial, because x plus 5 is equal to 0, if you transpose x is equal to, it will be x is equal to minus 5, and if you, x minus 7 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 7. So minus 5 and 7 are the other zeros, and for 2 0 is already given, 2 plus minus root 3, and other 2 0 is minus 5 and 7. Okay, next question will be in the next video.